In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail passkeys and security keys for your Google account. Ensuring that your account is protected with extra layers of security is more important than ever. By setting up passkeys, you can enhance your account's security in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll want to begin by navigating to Google's homepage. Open a web browser of your choice and type in google.com. This is where you'll start your journey to setting up those security features. Once you're at Google, the next thing you'll need to do is sign in. Look towards the upper right corner of the page for the sign in button. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your Google account information. Now make sure to use the credentials associated with the Google account for which you're setting up passkeys. It's important to note that these security measures will apply specifically to the account you're logged into, so be sure you're in the right place. After successfully logging in, head over to the Google account homepage. You can do this by selecting your profile picture located in the top right and clicking on Manage your Google account. This will direct you to a dashboard filled with various sections related to your account settings. From the account home, find and click on the security option in the left-hand menu. This section is crucial as it contains all the tools and settings related to keeping your account safe. As you explore the security tab, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the current settings and check if anything seems out of place or requires updates. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Passkeys and Security Keys. Here's where the magic happens. Click on this option to access the tools you need to create passkeys. This area is designed to help you manage all your security keys and passkeys, enabling a secure login experience without relying solely on passwords. Passkeys are particularly advantageous as they offer a secure and user-friendly way to safeguard your account. You might see instructions on setting up your first passkey or managing existing ones. Follow the straightforward prompts provided. While doing this, make sure you have a stable internet connection and all necessary devices handy, such as your smartphone or security key device. This step is very intuitive, mostly involving scanning a QR code or entering a confirmation code provided to you. And there you have it. You've taken significant measures to bolster your Google account security by setting up passkeys. Remember, keeping your account secure not only protects your data, but also deters potential security threats. So kudos to you for taking the time to enhance your digital safety. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to consult Google's support resources for more information. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, stay secure.